In this video, let me show you how to use Chase Unlimited Checkings benefits. So if you have a checkings account within Chase and you're trying to use the unlimited checkings benefit, in this video, let's talk about it. Now, whether you have a account such as Chase Total Checkings or Chase Premier as well, you'll be able to get these benefits. These benefits include you'd be able to waive off or avoid any sort of monthly fees, including direct deposits within your mobile app, as well as in order to avoid these monthly fees, you need to maintain a minimum balance of $1,500. Apart from this, you can also eliminate the ATM and document fees with these benefits that you get within your checkings account, and you'd be able to utilize your built-in security tools, which could be active overdraft assets, as well as you'd be able to track your credit health. So if you have already the account available or added into your Chase mobile banking, you can simply head over to one of your accounts that are being displayed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.